Are you looking to take control of your financial future but don't know where to start? Are you overwhelmed by debt, unsure about how to invest, or simply looking to make the most of your money? Don't worry, you're not alone, and it's never too late to start learning about finance management. Hi, I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, and today, I'll guide you through the essentials of financial management, investment strategies, and the importance of financial planning. So, let's dive in. 1. Understanding the basics of finance management. We'll kick things off by understanding the basics of finance management. You see, money, as you know, is a critical part of our day-to-day lives. But managing it effectively can be a significant challenge. Finance management involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling your financial activities such as procurement and utilization of funds. Mastering the basics of finance management is the first step to achieving financial independence. 2. The importance of financial planning in your personal life. Financial planning is like a roadmap to your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, sending your kids to college, or preparing for retirement, a good financial plan can help turn your dreams into reality. It gives you a clear picture of where you stand financially, helps you make informed decisions about your money, and reduces financial stress. 3. Step-by-step guide to creating a successful financial plan. Once we appreciate the importance of financial planning, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to creating a successful financial plan. Remember, a successful financial plan is about more than just making a budget or saving for retirement. It's about setting short and long-term financial goals, understanding your income and expenses, planning for taxes, investing wisely, and ensuring you have insurance to protect your wealth. 4. The role of budgeting in effective financial management. From there, we'll delve into the role of budgeting in effective financial management. Budgeting is a powerful tool that helps you control your money, keep track of your income and expenses, and plan for the future. It's an essential part of any financial plan, and I'll show you how to create and stick to a budget. 5. Key principles for managing personal finances. Once we've nailed down budgeting, we'll shift our focus to the key principles for managing personal finances. These principles, such as living within your means, saving for the future, investing wisely, and protecting your wealth, provide a foundation for good financial health. 6. Investment strategies for building wealth, an in-depth look. Next, I'll give you an in-depth look at investment strategies for building wealth. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. I'll share some proven strategies and tips to help you get started or improve your investing journey. 7. How to manage debt and improve your financial health. We'll also discuss how to manage debt and improve your financial health. Debt can be a tremendous burden. But with the right strategies, you can manage and ultimately eliminate your debt, improving your financial health and freeing up more money for saving, investing, and achieving your financial goals. 8. The connection between finance management and retirement planning. In the final segment, we'll explore the connection between finance management and retirement planning. Proper finance management today can lead to a comfortable and secure retirement tomorrow. And that's a wrap. By understanding and implementing the principles we've discussed, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video informative and want to continue learning with me, Thamizharasu, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more advice on business, finance, and personal growth. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.